Hey, don't go anywhere where she can get lost, okay? She does like to chase you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to give you a little update on what's going on. So I moved into my house back in my home state, and I have been so incredibly busy the last few weeks. I'm sorry I haven't been able to post anything yet. I've been working really hard to be able to do that, but what you don't know is that my husband, he doesn't get to stay here with me. He still has 9 months he has to do. It sucks, but that's military life, and we've just gotten used to that at this point. So that being said, I didn't get to move any of our stuff into this house. We bought this sofa, we got a bed and a TV. That's pretty much it. I was able to get furniture for my kids' room as well. But yeah, other than that, that's it. I have my gaming equipment here, like my filming and recording equipment. Other than that, I don't have anything else that I need. All of like my soundproofing stuff and everything is back in, and so my house is very empty, which means that when I try to film something, it echoes badly. I'm sure you can hear it, and the video probably doesn't even pick it up as bad as, well, I'm using my phone right now, but as bad as my camera and my microphone, like it picks up badly. The room, I will show you an example. The room that is supposed to be my gaming room, this is how bad it sounds in this room. And that's, let me close the door and you can get a better idea of how it would sound if I try to film in here right now. Soundproofing stuff is very expensive and it adds up quickly, so I've been trying to figure out a way to do it. I've like done tests all throughout the house of where I could possibly film other than this room, and it sounds the same no matter what room I'm in. It's just what happens when you have a completely empty house and no carpet throughout. I did actually, like I said, I did tests. I tried filming anyway, regardless, and I tried 3 different times filming the same video, which was my next upload for Red Dead Redemption 2, and it was terrible. It sounds so bad and so echoey that it's not even tolerable. So yeah, I'm just kind of like, don't know what to do right now. My husband, he just mailed me some of my soundproofing stuff, like my pads and whatnot, but I still won't have everything. God, I look ridiculous right now. It's really frustrating. I just want to put some content out there for you guys. I want to get done with Red Dead Redemption 2 so I can get into God of War, and it's just not working out so far. So during my trip out here, I did record a lot of the drive and got some video of my new house. So I decided, since I can't put any content out right now for my gaming, I am gonna do something else instead, and I'm gonna take you guys along for the trip that I just made out here. Anyway, let's just get right into everything. Enjoy the video, guys. Okay, we got the car all loaded up. This car is packed. We got Sterling right there, Stairs, and the 2 cats. Look at the preciouses. They are so not happy right now. Hello. We got a bag full of snacks, scratching post for the cats, litter box for the cats, and the trunk is packed full. Yep. Scared anymore? No. Look at the cars. Hey, baby.
No, I don't think so. Okay.
Where's your brother? Oh, he's just still there. Finally in St. Louis, Missouri at our luxury hotel. Isn't it beautiful? Yep. Don't you want to stay here? So the hotel room actually is a lot nicer on the inside than it was on the outside. Not bad. I mean, it could be worse. I've stayed in much worse, honestly. So this is not terrible. It's got a working TV, a little coffee maker. I can't drink coffee anyway. It's even got an iron up there. Cool, don't need that. A nice little sink. Look at this sink. We gotta have the old Kill Bill on cable. Wait, no. Cable? No, HBO. Cable is what old people call this. Anyway, I'm about it. All about it. Dust storm right there. Wow. Whoa. Look at how pretty that is. Whoa. From dust storm to rainstorm in the same 2 minutes. Pretty. God, I miss miss the desert so much. Miss the desert.
I love the desert.
Yeah, isn't it so much better? Woohoo! I told y'all I'd bring the rain back with me.
All Sal's ideas. Sal wrote all Joe's ideas. So I'll pitch my first idea. It's called Eat My Nuts.
What are you doing up there? Are you exploring?
This show answers the question, what if we sent them
Little explorers.
1990s? First one I wrote today was, it's 420 somewhere. Because it was.
I don't see a forest anywhere. Good boy. What a good boy.
The car is going to
Yowdy.
I had a picture of a glass of carrot juice. I thought I'd make some carrot juice. And after juicing 2 carrots, I realized that glass must have contained 40,000 carrots.
Yeah.
There's almost no juice in a carrot. Did you know that?
Look at that
You should
face.
just eat a carrot. That's good.
Hi. What are you doing? Oh, she took it as an invitation for her. Oh my god. Okay, that's dangerous. Gotta get down from there. That's dangerous. There's the train.
Two is better than one. How many times have you heard that one? One of them.
This is the house. It's my new house. Go this way. Got a closet. Guest bathroom. And then we got one little bedroom. 2 little bedroom. 3 little bedroom. And actually, one of these is gonna be my son's room, one of them is gonna be my gaming room, and one is gonna be the guest bedroom. Not sure which is gonna be which yet. That's the backyard out there. Then we got the little breakfast nook thing. Breakfast corner, or dining corner, I guess. Got the kitchen. Where's the light? There we go. Let there be light. That's our kitchen. I'm about it. Seeing as the house that I came from, this is a very nice upgrade from that one. Got a nice sink. Boom. And then I'm not showing you me right now. I've been traveling for 36 hours. You're not gonna see me. No. But this is our bedroom. This is the big ass fucking vanity that we have in here. It's pretty cool though. That's our bedroom. Ooh. Bathroom, double sinks, and boom, walk-in closet. Woo! That's the house. to sleep. You put it to sleep, you little animal whisperer, you.
It's because I'm used to stinky things and making them fall in love with me.